Good morning, good morning. Wake up with a smile. Stretch your little arms up high. Let's have fun a while. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp your little feet. Good habits every day make our life so sweet. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down and round. Brush the front and brush the back. Keep those smiles so bright. Brush them in the morning. Brush them before bed. Brush, wash, clean and smile. Good habits all the while. Please and thank you every day. Healthy habits ship hooray. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Bubbles everywhere. Front and back and in between. Clean hands show we care. Before we eat our yummy food,